There is a call for Jamaicans who are living with lupus to take the COVID-19 vaccine. It comes from a medical expert who is also living with the condition. Jamaica tells us more in the health report.
Dermatologist Dr. Lorenia Muir-Green was diagnosed with lupus arthritis 4 years ago, but the diagnosis did not surprise her.
My mother had lupus, so all my life I've been tested for lupus over the years, but I was always negative, and I was booked to do a surgery, and 2 weeks before the surgery, I had swelling of my joints in my left hand. And I went and I said, you know what, this is a bit odd. Let me go and do the ANA test one more time, which is the screening test, and it came back positive at that time.
Lupus is an autoimmune disease that can cause joint pain, fever, skin rashes, and organ damage. There's currently no cure, and it requires lifelong management. Lupus is commonly seen in women between the ages of 15 and 45. With variants of COVID-19 floating around, people with certain chronic conditions like lupus are at increased risk for severe forms of the virus. As such, Dr. Muir-Green decided to take the COVID-19 vaccine. In July of this year, she was fully vaccinated.
Like everybody else, I got a little bit achy, some amount of tiredness, and swelling of the arm, which was expected. Actually, my team was worse than me, but I actually went and got myself tested to see if I got a good response at the unit at UE, and my antibodies were high enough. Well, yes, they were positive, so I actually got a good response to the vaccine.
She's encouraging persons who have lupus to do the same.
The disease, lupus itself, if you are not on your medication and you get COVID, you are going to be overwhelmed by the COVID-19, and the likelihood of you going into a hospital is very high. Okay, and having serious critically ill COVID-19 is very high.
Persons with lupus are encouraged to boost their immune system by taking vitamins C and D. It is also advised that they wear masks while around others at all times. With her health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.